The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hello, how are you today? Today, let's learn how to add power in the backhand topspin. How to add power to your backhand topspin. Stabilize your legs. Keep them spread apart and slightly bent for a strong foundation. Engage your lower body. Use both legs to generate downward and upward momentum. Start low. Begin your stroke from a lower position, especially against backspin balls. Use a slight shoulder rotation. Rotate minimally while focusing on pressing down with your legs. Create an arc. Pull the ball with a curved motion, combining leg power and backhand technique. Involve your hip. Add force with your right hip as you follow through with the ball.
因为你的两个腿没有撑住，没有使上劲儿。你看，你是只是靠上半身，下半身两个腿，首先反手拉一定要撑住，然后去引拍。对，要撑住，两个分开一点，腿，对，膝盖要蹲下去，对，先撑住。不用转，现在不用转的太多，两个腿一起往下下，只不过是这个胯稍微转一点就行。我的左胯就是你的右胯。对，右胯，然后你看我是压这边，你就压这边，稍微一点就行，不要去靠腿。
然后手拍子是放下去还是？
对，先放下去，下旋球一定要放下去，然后你看把球有一个弧线，然后拉出来，有一个弧度，尤其腿啊，腿一定要先下。走，哎，可以，腿使上劲儿，再使上劲儿啊，可以，两个腿，然后反手有一个弧线，把弧线拉出来，很好，走，哎，非常好。走，对，很好，腿使上劲儿，然后那个右胯使上一点，跟着球，对，很好，腿可以。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.